Hey y'all, what's up? So I decided to vlog a little bit today. Oh, camera about to fall. Okay, I'm gonna have to restart this intro. Let's see, let me turn real quick. Okay. Okay y'all, so today I decided to vlog for y'all. It's Saturday, I'm off this weekend. I've been off since yesterday. I was gonna vlog yesterday, but it just didn't work out that way. So vlogging today, what am I doing today? Right now I'm doing some Uber Eats, meaning that I'm the driver person, you know, dropping off food and stuff. So that's what I'm currently doing. After this, I'm gonna go down to San Diego to see my mom and my boyfriend, and I'm taking him out to like a late lunch, early dinner at Tender Greens. That's where he wants to go. So I said okay. And then yeah, this clearly is not stable. Okay. Clearly. I'm just trying to vlog and be great for y'all. So that's just what I'm doing today. I know it's a little shaky. Let me hold it for a while I finish this little intro. You know what, let me go because I just missed my turn. The camera just keep falling. But basically that's what I'm doing today. And then later on I'm going to a Sigma probate at SDSU. So it should be a good day. Pretty fulfilled, I guess. So yeah, I'll catch up with y'all later. Just doing some Uber Eats right now, so yeah.
Spirit synagogue. I don't know who's protecting me, but we hit it off.
Hey y'all. So I'm with Roosevelt and we already went to Tender Greens, and I totally forgot I was vlogging since I haven't vlogged in so long. So I just remembered right now, and we just got to PB. So we're gonna go get some baked bear, and we're going to just walk around the beach and stuff. So yeah, if you guys haven't seen him on my channel in a while, say hi, babe. I just realized I forgot to put earrings on.
You forgot? How you forget?
I forgot to put them on.
You beat your face every time you get the earrings, put them on.
I forgot to put my earrings on. And that's okay.
She need to get her hair done, y'all.
Okay, you gonna pay for it?
I already paid for it once.
Okay, we'll pay for it again.
It's not gonna be what I want. That's not till the summer. You told me that.
Period. So he always talking mess. Get on my nerves. I got a red velvet cookie and a white chocolate macadamia nut cookie with salted caramel ice cream, and then Roosevelt got, what'd you get?
Sea salt, peanut butter, and chocolate chip cookies with bear batter.
Yeah, but let me tell y'all what happened. So they asked me if you want your cookie warmed up, and I said yes. And then they just get back to me telling them, oh, we can't warm it up because your ice cream is already too soft. I want a warm cookie. So I'm happy I have my sunglasses on because she really couldn't see my real reaction in my face, but I was really in confusion.
They didn't want you to have melted ice cream.
I want a warm cookie, period.
But do you want melted ice cream?
Yes.
So you want soup, cookies, and ice cream?
Yes.
Okay.
And I got these white shoes on.
God bless.
The world is based off of crickets.
Jacob's like, ready?
Yummy. 3-1. No, sir. No, you can't do that.
Why?
You're throwing it. You have to hit it.
I hate it.
No, you hit it. You threw it.
You gotta throw it up first and then hit.
Yes. It's like tennis. Like you don't just throw the ball. Nope. 4. Yeah, move, damn. Okay. Ask yourself that question.
I didn't lose. So how do you feel to be a loser?
Ask yourself that question.
I didn't lose. No, I didn't.
If you're capping for the vlog.
I'm not. I lost the first round, but I came back the second round. Hey y'all, so why did the lighting just get dark? It was just perfect. So anyways, hi, I'm still the same person. If we haven't moved yet.
Sorry about the time. We'll move in just a second.
So as y'all can see, I'm at Starbucks. So the line has not moved yet, so she thought it was someone else. But anyways, happy Sunday, and I'm on my way to church. Had a quick stop at Starbucks first because I just had not even a taste for coffee. I had a taste for a strawberries and cream frappuccino. I haven't had that probably since like middle school, bruh. So literally like over 10 years. But that's just what I want this morning. So the lighting is really weird. I was playing with my camera settings yesterday when I was at the beach. So yeah. But anyways, just checking in with y'all. I was gonna end the vlog yesterday, but I literally have probably 5 minutes of footage, so we're continuing the vlog today. So after church today, my family's going out to dinner, and then I'm just gonna do some laundry, go to like a Mary Kay party to support my best friend, and yeah, so that's my day today. So we just got home from church, and oh, okay, all right y'all, so we just got home from church, and we're about to go to Cheesecake Factory with the family, and then but right now my mom about to give me a photo shoot because I asked her to. So yeah. All right y'all, so I finished at Cheesecake Factory with my family, and now I'm with this loser.
Hey, relax.
And I just took out my braids or twist or whatever, so this is what I'm left with, but I'll probably wash it and just put it up in the bun for the rest of the week until I do my hair this weekend. So yeah, just giving y'all an update. I must leave here actually pretty shortly and go to Felicia's house to do the little Mary Kay thingy, so that I was telling you guys about earlier. So yeah, we got the Mary Kay. Oh, it's blurry.
You know, trying to get my hands all silky smooth for your nigga type of way.
Get on my nerves.
And she has one more person coming in a few minutes. She's running a little bit late.
Someone else rub it all over?
Yeah.
Oh, this is an experiment.
Ooh, you got it, Jesse.
Oh, I watched this already. Okay. Step 2. But you know I got makeup on, so I don't know if I can participate.
Oh, okay.
I told you, didn't I tell you? You just want to small circles, you know, and you always, because gravity happens to us all, so you always want to go up on the neck, you know, clean the neck. Yeah, you want to get it. Use all of it. Yeah. Yeah, put all of it on there. And so you're going to use the brush. Right. It works with the, okay. You're just gonna go like 15 seconds on each cheese.
Okay.
Oh yeah, can you Renee? It'll never stop.
Can you give me a video, but like that way
For your
my
vlog.
vlog?
You want to be in her vlog?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, you want to be my vlog?
Mm-hmm.
I'm going to do a regular
Renee
video.
CW13. My
You want a
name.
little bit for you?
Sure.
Y'all see me using this brush?
We started the facials, y'all.
Link in bio if you need a Mary Kay specialist in
No
San Diego.
eyes. No eyes. Keep your eyes, because you're gonna, you know.
It's getting all the makeup, y'all. You see it's coming up.
You see that makeup coming up?
Yeah, that's what I said. We gonna link in the bio
She's
for
the
San
host.
Diego
She's
San
the
Diego
host.
representative.
The warm rib.
I can use the brush on my neck too, right?
Yeah, you
Yes, absolutely.
Oh shoot, I got some in the mask.
It's fine.
I don't want to get
your channel?
Mine is Renee CW13, and Taylor's over there. Hers is Taylor Gonzalez.
Yes.
What kind of videos do you do?
I do. I kind of do a little everything, honestly. Makeup, vlogs, food.
I like videos like that.
Yeah, just
Little vacation.
a little
trips.
diverseness, you know. I used to just strictly pretty much be vlogs when I was in college, but then I graduated, so then I had to figure out something else to put on the channel.
Which one do you want me to do?
I thought you were a high schooler.
You
look so young.
Did girl woman over here? Okay, is it good?
Yeah, it looks good.
Okay,
Make sure you
cool.
get, you know.
Thanks. You're not doing crazy anymore. Just a little snippet.
You look really good. Like,
that's so funny.
Mask you can use 2-3 times a week.
Hold on for a second.
And it says to keep leave on 10 to 20 minutes. When I'm doing it at home, I leave it on for 20 minutes. I just go chill in the bed.
And how many times do you do this a week, you said?
I usually try and get it in at least twice.
Okay.
But you can do it 2 to 3 times a week.
Okay.
Yeah. So I think that's what was really with the cleanser and using my brush, that I got all those blackheads out of my nose. And I was like, oh, I don't never have to go get me a facial no more. I just go to the massage thing. So then that's when you're going to use your towels to wipe off your hands from the mask. And then when you're done,
By your neck, on your neck.
yeah.
I'll put it on.
Yeah.
I didn't have enough for.
Oh, okay. No. I got
some more too, Robin?
Absolutely.
Do I put it all on my neck?
You can put it.
Okay, I'm
Right.
putting some more too. Then.
I ran out for the neck.
Okay, so that's pretty good there for face. And I'm kind of blind, so it's hard for me to see. I can't believe I'm really this blind. That's kind of bad.
Right. I got pretty good vision.
Lucky you.
Blessed.
I'm gonna need some.
I used to until I messed it up.
You sitting too close to the TV, trying out other people's glasses?
Trying out my grandmother's glasses.
Yeah.
Can I have a little bit for my neck, please?
Absolutely. Yeah.
Thank you.
That was, I was starting to see my neck because I wasn't really doing anything. I wasn't taking care of my skin. And I thought, you know what, Robin, gravity's starting to take a toll, and it's starting to firm back up my neck. You know, because I used to look in the mirror sideways, you know. Oh man, it's starting to. I'm like,
After the
Can't put that on your
mask.
face.
So this is what it,
Moisturizer.
is about to get like that in a minute, you know what I'm saying? Waiting on my towel. Cooling off.
feels good.
All right, so it's clearly dark now, meaning it is nighttime. It's like 9 o'clock, 9:30 almost, and we just finished the Mary Kay party, so I'm on my way home. I'm gonna end the vlog right here. Thank y'all so much for watching. I'm pretty sure it should be long enough by now, so I will see you guys in my next video. Oh, y'all see how glowy my skin is though, right? Like, that facial was nice. I ain't gonna front. So yeah, have a nice night, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.